I just want to talk about 8 different remote jobs that you can actually do at night, or 8 boring remote jobs that you can do at night, especially right here in Nigeria. The truth is that there are a lot of make money online opportunities out there. Some of them are legit, some of them are not legit. So it's really hard to pick the ones that are actually active and working. So I got to talk to some of my community members in my groups, and some of them say they actually need something to do, whether part-time or hourly, and actually get paid for their effort. So I did some research and I come up with 8 different remote jobs that a Nigerian can actually do, and you can actually get paid per hour. And these jobs you can do them at night, which might be convenient because some people have work during the day. So if you have work during the day and you still think you can actually do these jobs at night and still earn money, well, that is a win-win because you work during the day and you still choose some hours to work at night to still earn some money for yourself. Most of these jobs actually pay in dollar, but I actually use 5,000 naira as the bare minimum because most of them pay in dollar, and some of them can pay you $5 an hour, $10 an hour, $15 an hour. The current exchange rate is like 1,500 naira. Let me say that's the minimum. So 1,500 naira times $5, that can give you up to 7,500 naira per hour. But I'm actually using 5,000 naira as just the minimum, right? Before we start, if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Solomon. You're on my YouTube channel. I talk about different side hustles that anybody can try, especially right here in Nigeria, to earn some extra cash for yourself just with your smartphone. So if you want to get more updates from me or more content from me, do well to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates actually coming your way. Do well to join my community on WhatsApp and on Telegram, because there are different updates that I actually drop there that I might not drop on YouTube, or that I might drop there first. So do well to join my community on Telegram. Thank you very much if you've done that. There are a lot of scams out there, so you just have to try and be careful. So let me give you some safety tips that you need. Then I'm just going to go straight to the point and mention these 8 jobs that you can do at night and where you can actually get these jobs. So number one tip is avoid scams. Now, if you try to get a job and they say you should pay to apply for the job, or you should pay before you actually attend the interview, please don't do it. Just avoid that particular job, because I don't see any reason why somebody will want to pay you money for working for them and they will still ask you to pay for you to actually apply for a job. Don't do that. That's actually a scam. So the second safety tip is use legit platforms. Use legit job hunting platforms. I'm going to list some of them that are actually popular, especially right here in Nigeria. So use legit job hunting platforms. The third safety tip right here is that you have to read reviews. Learn to read reviews. So go on a Trustpilot, go on Reddit, go on different review platforms. If the app is on Google Play Store, go on Google Play Store and read reviews so that you hear what people are saying about this job hunting platform and the good side and the bad side. Most of these job hunting platforms, some of them might work in Nigeria, some of them might not work in Nigeria. Actually, there's no guarantee. So that's why use VPN if necessary. These are some safety tips that you can actually use when you are going to actually get this job. So let's get started. So the first job on my list today is called PDF conversion. PDF conversion is just you opening a PDF, typing or formatting the PDF into a Word doc. So it's just like you converting a printed story into a digital form, right? So that is what they call PDF conversion. So why is this job actually boring? This job is boring because sometimes you do the same formatting jobs repeatedly. And what are some of the websites you can actually job hunt this type of remote jobs? First website I have here is Fiverr and Upwork. You can check Fiverr and Upwork, and Guru is another one. If you come down to Guru and search for PDF conversion job, PDF to Word freelancers, so you can see this particular person right here charges $10 an hour to convert PDF to Word. And not just this person, there are a lot of people. This one is charging $5 an hour, which is like 7,500 naira. This other one is charging up to $5 an hour, which is 7,500 naira. So if you try Fiverr and you can't find a job, you try Upwork, the same thing. You check Guru, go on Gigi. Gigi is actually a very nice place to look for jobs too. So you can go on Gigi and search for PDF to Word conversion jobs, and you're going to see different jobs that are actually available for you. And this one actually pays directly in naira, not like guru.com that pays in dollars. So the second remote job you can actually do on my list today is called taking surveys and user testing or testing websites. Surveys is just you answering questions about a specific topic, maybe health, fitness, or whatever. Testing websites, they can tell you to go to this website, click on this button if it's working, do this on this particular website, use this app to do this and do this, and they actually reward you for your time. So it's actually boring because you can do this just with your smartphone and you can do this on your free time. Some paid surveys are actually not working in Nigeria, and some of them don't really work. Some of them are just waste of time. So I found a website here called Prolific. Prolific is actually a big survey company where you can actually get paid surveys regularly because they partner with different companies like Google and some other top universities, right? They do more research and you can get regular surveys. I found some other recent survey sites like Multiple Survey that actually works too, and the pay in Naira, which is actually very, very good for Nigerians. And I've been using some other surveys like Surveyflix and some other surveys like Pagazani. Let's talk about website testing. Number one is Try My UI. So you can check out Try My UI. The next one is usertesting.com. So you can check that one. Another one, I saw this one recently, is called testingtime.com. So the next remote job right here that you can do at night is called forum moderation / social media monitoring. You read post or comment online. The person you're working for is doing a live video, so they can actually employ you to be in the comment section. So you start deleting any bad words that are there, spammy words and all those things that might affect the live video, so you delete them off, and that is what you do. That is what they call forum moderation or social media monitoring. What are some of the platforms you can get jobs like this? So the first website that you can get jobs like this is called LiveWall, right? LiveWall. And we also have Guru. You can check out Guru, Jobberman, if I pronounce that correctly. So check out Jobberman. They might actually offer jobs like this for you right here in Nigeria. And another website that you can check for jobs like this is called Mood Squad. I don't know if I pronounce that well. You're going to see their names on the screen. Mood Squad is another website you can check for jobs like this right here in Nigeria. All right, so another remote job you can do at night, which is so boring, is called AI data labeling, right? So this is just you looking at pictures or sentences, you just keep tagging them, you just train it, just like you training an AI, you understand? So that is just what this job is all about. This is actually boring because you click and label, you click and you label. That's why this is very, very boring. So the first website they can get jobs like this is called Amazon Talk. Another website, but this one is really an app, and I've used this one before. It's called Toloka. Toloka is a popular app that you use to get jobs online, right? So another website you can use is called Scale AI, and another one is called Remotasks. But I've been getting some complaints from Scale AI and Remotasks, so just do well to check out the one that actually work out for you. So the next boring remote work that you can actually do at night to get paid per hour right here in Nigeria is called virtual assistant, right? So what is virtual assistant? It's just you helping somebody with their small tasks like scheduling events, helping them drafting emails. So where are some websites that you can actually get jobs like this? So if you're from Nigeria, I'm still going to recommend you use Jobberman to search for jobs like this, or you use Fiverr and Upwork, right? You can use Fiverr and Upwork to search for jobs like this. So these are jobs that can actually, if you can get them successfully, virtual assistant work can actually help you to make some extra cash for yourself. So the next remote work writer that you can do remotely at night and earn money in Nigeria is called captioning / subtitling. So what you do is that you listen to speech in video content, be it audio or video, and you actually type exactly what you listen to. You type it, you translate it, or sometimes you can actually translate it into different languages, maybe in your local language or something. Some of the websites you can get jobs like this right here in Nigeria. So number one website right here is called Rev. Rev right here is a website they can use for transcribing, and another website here is called Go Transcribe. And another website you can use right here is called Transcribe Me. So the next remote job right here is called online chat support agent. So what do you really do? You help people, you become a chat support agent. Now, why is this boring? Well, this is actually boring because sometimes you actually get to be answering the same questions over and over again. That's why you have to be very, very patient for you to actually get this kind of jobs, right? So the first website right here is called Indeed Nigeria. Indeed Nigeria, you can do that. Another one, I think this one is called Glassdoor. I think Glassdoor, right? So you can actually check that out. Yeah, and you can also check out Upwork. Upwork can also help you to land jobs like this, to land gigs like this. And the last remote job on my list today that you can actually try out to earn some extra cash for yourself is called data entry. It's just like you copying somebody handwriting into a digital notebook, right? So that's what data entry is just all about. You can check out joblatters.com. So you can also check out Glassdoor right here, can help you land gigs like this. GG can also help you land jobs like this. And you can also check out LinkedIn. LinkedIn can also help you get gigs like this, right? Tell me which one is the best. So rate them in the comment section from 1 to 10. 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. So give me your ratings in the comment section. So if you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for these jobs on this website, I'm going to do that, and I'm going to do that for my community. So I actually recommend you join my Telegram channel and you join my WhatsApp group for you to actually get more detail about how to actually apply for this job, because I need to create a video showing you guys how I apply for these jobs. Let's see the ones that are actually working and the ones that will actually work out. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.